Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on use external emoji on permissions on role settings. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings and now click roles. Now click here and click permissions. Now here, as you see, you will find use external emoji. Click on it and click save here, and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.